up, everyone? Welcome back. Episode 12 of the Rad Skate Park Check-In New York City edition. Last week's episode got cut. In the beginning, there was no introduction. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Vincent Basile. You could call me Vinny. Vinny from New York. Forget about it. How you doing? Right now, we are at City Line Park, also known as Transit, whatever you want to call it. We're in Brooklyn, New York, hanging out. We're here with Gustavo, infamous from Thumbs, New York City. We love those guys. And I brought my girlfriend here, Kimmy. Kimmy's here. She's gonna shred. Maybe you'll catch her on a clip, maybe you won't, I don't know. Got here a little late. It's a little cloudy, but it's fine. I don't think it's gonna rain on us today. Let's go in, come on. Welcome into the park. Transit, take a look. Small park, but jam filled. Right here, as soon as you walk in, we have a hubba right off the bat. Box and some flat ground right here. But yo, check this out. You don't usually see this in the park here. There is something similar at the Bethpage Park in Long Island. It's like a wave attached to this nice little rail, let's call it. Curb. I like the flow here. It's like a bank. But before we get too far forward on the other obstacles, check out that bank right there. Quarter pipe. I meant to say, not. Check out that quarter pipe. It looks rad. Good, bro. That's the obstacles when you first get into the park. Show you the stuff in the middle of the park. Hey, we're in the middle of the park. Big ledge right here. If we walk over real quick, I'll just show you. Everything is attached. Little A-frame, rail, tiny bank, and this nice curb directly in the center of the park. Metal curb, so you know it's gonna move. And then another bank, and this nice ledge. I love it. This ledge looks fun. Who was that? Post Malone? BK, man, it's lit out here. Fun box, and it's curved a little bit. Check it out. Connected to this rail over here. That looks like an awesome rail. Rad. Square rail, probably about 6 foot long, slanted. It looks inviting. Forest there, and 2 big rails. You never know. You never know what's gonna happen here. And right there, look at that. Boom. The takeoff section, I guess, in the bank. And Goose. Hit. Hit. Yeah, it's a hit. Big Dougie would tear this up, right? Baked, where you at, man? We gotta get you out here. Guys, that's the whole park. Transit. Rody, how's the ground report? Rody, stop fronting. The ground here is super duper rad. Clean up your garbage though. It's a disgrace. Overall, rad. Man, we would have stayed, but it's just unfortunate that it's raining right now. Cutting us short on the cliffs. It's unfortunate we can't ride all day because of the rain. Hey, forget about it. We came, we saw, and we struggled. At the transit skate park, y'all call it the city line. Other way around. Line of the city. We're leaving. We showed you the park. We may have not hit every obstacle, but we're content. Thanks to Goose for showing up. Rody came through. Thanks, Kimmy. If you like the content, hit that like button. Subscribe, please. Follow us on Instagram. We're also on Facebook. You guys could check our merchandise at www.radboardsport.co. Catch us on the next episode. We're out of here. Ride all day. But don't forget to take care of your local park, guys. When you come to your park, clean up your trash. Now we gotta look at this stuff and deal with it. Not your mom or dad.